trance in the rain. It's a trance in the rain. Soak my Vans in the rain. What a day to go outside. Through the pain, it's so hard to decide. Started making diamonds when that pressure was applied. Needed a guide, said forget aside. What's going on inside? Hiding behind the lies, you should read between the lines. Looking at the signs, help you manage. That sign language, yeah, they self-define. I'm just in my room, time traveling, unraveling, battling bosses. Check the score, it's more wins than losses. Staying on course with endurance, feeling euphoric like who for it. Move through the blue forest like a cool tourist. Bow and arrow on my back, boy. Black boy with the superpower blast, boy. Take out any fucking asteroid. Critical hit, spiritual lift, digital flip, mythical glyphs. Reloaded, then I did it again. At the practice, yeah, it's me and my friends. The price you paying at a different expense. Attending different events. Washing my hands, man, I needed this cleanse. Yeah, dancing in the rain.
I've been dancing in the rain. I've been dancing. I used to like to dance in the rain, embrace the pain, acknowledge what I've gained just from staying in my lane. I got God on my side and I know he's down the ride. When the demons coming at me, I am ready to collide. See, I was playing hopscotch, waiting on the bus stop. As I watched the raindrops, I'm dancing in my soaked socks. Peasy headed packer didn't know what I was after. Started reading Bible chapters, steady searching for some answers. See, I've been counting up before, still I gotta get me more. So I came in kicking doors, I had to go beyond the shores. So I kept on swimming till my legs and arms giving. I was built a little different, but I make a bigger difference. Ain't no forcing me to fit in. You can't change the way I'm living unless there's growth involved. I ain't really fucking with it, I ain't really fucking with it,